In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Asana. It's an essential integration that can help streamline your workflow by synchronizing your tasks with your calendar events. So, if you're ready to enhance your productivity, let's dive right into it. To start, go ahead and click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the Asana interface. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's the gateway to customizing your Asana experience. Once you've clicked there, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This is where all the magic happens, as it gives you access to various customization options tailored to your Asana account. After you've opened the Settings menu, navigate over to the Apps tab. This tab is crucial because it's your hub for any third-party integrations and apps you might need. Once you're in the Apps tab, you'll be presented with a multitude of integration options. To streamline this process, there's a straightforward option labeled See All Apps. Clicking on this will expand the list and make it much easier to find the specific integration you're looking for. With the full array of app options now on display, use the search bar to look for Google Calendar. Typing in Google Calendar will narrow down your choices quickly, leading you directly to the integration we want. Once located, go ahead and click on it. This will provide you with a comprehensive overview of all the features and benefits the Google Calendar integration offers. This overview is quite handy and informative, as it details how integrating the two platforms can enhance your task management and calendar planning efficiency. Having reviewed these features, the next step is to install this integration for Asana. You'll find the Install button prominently displayed, so click on that to proceed. This will prompt the authentication process, which is an important step in ensuring that your Google Calendar and Asana are linked securely. Follow the instructions to grant Asana the necessary permissions to access your Google Calendar, completing the authentication promptly. And with that, you're all set. You've successfully connected Google Calendar to your Asana account. This integration now allows for seamless synchronization, helping you keep track of your tasks alongside scheduled calendar events, thus enhancing both your organizational skills and productivity. Remember, making the most out of these kinds of integrations can significantly streamline your workflow. So take the time to explore and optimize these tools to fit your personal or professional needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you become more efficient in managing your tasks and time. Until next time, happy organizing.